The research on cognitive stimulation, or ROCS study, uses EEG and MRI to investigate how transcranial direct current stimulation affects goal maintenance and attention lapsing in individuals with schizophrenia or schizoaffective disorder. Transcranial direct current stimulation is also referred to as tDCS. If you want to learn more about each of these techniques, take a look at our research page. The ROCS study includes up to 5 different visits here at the IRC, each about 3 hours long. For your first session, you will complete a clinical interview in which you will be asked some questions about different experiences you may have had and talk about how things are going with school, work, and friends. Next, you will complete 2 computer tasks. During this first task, you will see a sequence of blue squares appearing one after another at different locations on the computer screen. You will then indicate when the square appears in a particular location on the screen. For the second task, you will need to pay attention to a series of dot patterns. You will be shown one dot pattern at a time and then decide whether you have seen the target sequence after every dot pattern. The rest of the appointments are tDCS and EEG sessions. During these sessions, you will complete the tasks again while wearing the EEG cap. tDCS will take place for about 20 minutes at the beginning of each session. At some sessions, you will receive active stimulation, and at some sessions you will receive sham stimulation. Active stimulation is when the electrical current is applied for the full 20 minutes before EEG recording. Sham stimulation is when it is applied for the first minute and then switched off. The type of stimulation used at each session will be chosen by chance. We will ask you about your mood and any sensations you might experience before, during, and after tDCS. During tDCS, you will either complete a computer task or watch a slideshow. This will also be chosen by chance. After this portion of the study, you will complete the second computer task while EEG is being recorded. Finally, at the end of your last session, there will be an MRI brain scan. This involves laying down very still in a hollow tube-like structure while pictures of your brain are taken for half an hour. And then you'll be all done with the study. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been informative, and if you would like to participate in the ROCS study, call 916-734-8779 to learn more.